You can see the arrows. That's where my entries and exits were. So I'm going to break down why I entered it, why I exited it, what the plan was. And then later in the video, we also have a live trade, me trading this all live. My reactions live, my emotions, all that. Yeah, this is the second trade of the year. So I've taken 2 trades this whole year. So we're starting off the year pretty well. You know, just following the process, letting the systems take care of themselves. But yeah, if you guys want to learn from a group of strong, you know, traders that do this every single day consistently, go ahead and join the WolfPackTrading Discord in the link below. And yeah, let's get started. Cool. So why did I enter this trade? What the plan was moving into today. Today we had CPI, rejected the supply zone right at open, 630, boom, beautiful drop. This is about it's like a 50-point drop. If you would have caught this, you would have made some good money. I just watched this happen. You know, I was letting structure set up. I was waiting for something to really get bought up. When I started seeing this one, I kind of really started to take the market seriously, right around this area. When I started seeing this, I'll start to get bought up. That's when I was like, okay, you know what? We're going to get a trade very, very soon. Let me be aware. Let me be cautious. Let me start looking for a trade. So what was I looking for? I was looking for us to kind of just come into this area, this whole 4,800 to 4,810 area. I was looking for us to reject, right? I was expecting this 4,800 area to reject a little more just because it's, you know, a psychological level. But at the end of the day, I've noticed this doesn't really matter. It's useful, but that 4,800, 4,900, that doesn't really matter a lot of the time. What really matters is structure, right? So what we did is we came up here, tested this previous low, and what happened? Strong rejection. This is where I took my entry. So we rejected that low, boom, entered on this large candle, called out all on the Discord, by the way. Sorry for the selfless promo, but I literally called it out. Short targeting 4775 demand. So I told him, okay, go short and target 4775 demand. What did we bounce at? 4775 demand. Exited my trade right there. I'll show you guys the rest. So boom, 733, bop, took my entry, boom, came back here, retested this order block right here. And what happens? We test it, fill our orders, sellers enter this position, and then the market makes its move, right? So just sell model. What happens here? I also make sure to let them know, order block rejecting, adding one more con, stop loss above 4805. So this was my stop loss right here. This is my trailing stop. I keep it green just so I can be okay with accepting the loss. It's not a big deal. If anything, it's a win for me to accept my loss. So boom, entered more right here, 4803. So basically my entry was 4802 and 4803. Well, a stop loss above 4807. Just say 4807. And then so then the market began to reject. You know, sell structure, stayed in place. So this was a very, very good trade. Boom, the rest is all on the chart, right? We broke this low very aggressively. Time and sales picked up very, very aggressively, which was very good to see. At this point, I was up like 100-something%. So I took profit on one of these. You guys will see it in the live video. And then didn't take profit on any of this, actually. I still had another runner. And then came down here into my other target. Market the market just I was just letting it run. And what happened is we bounced. But again, no signs of buying, so that's why I was comfortable staying in that short. But once we bounced, we broke structure to the upside. We came back down, retested, started making buy structure here, came down into this order block, started getting these orders filled. I just exited my trade here. No reason to exit here when we still have sell structure. Once we started forming that buy structure, that's when I was like, okay, you know what, get out of this trade. This is no longer going to move in the direction that you are betting it is going to move in. So that was a trade, right? Beautiful, beautiful trade, right? Target was exceptional. Right at a discount area where market just completely reversed. Could have traded alongside, but for me, it's just one and done. That's what I like to focus on. I don't like to trade too much, just get in, boom, 40 minutes, I'm out. But I do like to catch entirety of moves, which is why you'll see me catch moves like these and beginning out at areas like this, because I wait for the market to really start telling me, okay, we're going to start reversing now before I exit, which can be a blessing and a curse sometimes, but we find ways to make it work, for sure. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment below, join the Discord, ask me anything, DM me personally even, or just go on Instagram, somewhere in the links. You guys can DM me any questions you may have. But yeah, I hope this was of value to you. I hope this helped you guys out in any way, shape, or form. Oh yeah, one last thing. These contracts, let me see if I can find the ones that I buy. Probably not, to be honest with you, but this isn't it either. Nah. I traded SPX puts, so I bought in. You'll see in the live trade, but my original entry was 460. I was exiting my trade around 1050. They peaked out around like 1210. So, and they were at $20 out the money too. So they ended up in the money when we were down in here by my target, which was a perfect contract to buy alongside this. And contracts were actually very expensive because we were juiced up due to the CPI move we had. We hadn't had a move like that in a minute. So that juiced us up a little bit. But yeah, excited to see what we're gonna see tomorrow. We have PMI, so should be interesting. Anyway, enough talking. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like what you heard, join the Discord. Everyone in the Discord is smart, experienced, and ready to go, just making money on the daily. Anyway, live trading video coming up. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy. What the hell is that? Or selling starting to dry up into this. I want to see selling continue. If anything gets stronger moving through this level. But let's break this low right here. Let's break that low. There you go. There's that break of that low, and that's a good break too. We're breaking through the next low. There you go. There it is. Boom. Okay, now we're approaching my target. These contracts ain't moving though. Boom, absolutely destroyed VIX. Look at all those alerts going off right now. Up $800. Boom, there we go, into that order block. How are we gonna react to it? Up 900, up 1,000, boom, great trade. Look at that drop. Prepare to trim soon. Good way to start the month. Up 1,200. I'm taking one off, 1050, okay. TP hit, baby. Let's go.